It's falling apart. Shh, don't show that. Hi guys, welcome. Today we start our countdown to Christmas, and this year we are going to count down the 12 cakes of Christmas. On the first day of Christmas, the cake that came to be is a powdered sugar snowy white tree. Okay, so for this cake, I baked green cake. What I did is I did my traditional vanilla cake, but for the color, I added some that special dark Hershey's brown sugar, cocoa powder. I added cocoa powder, and then I added a good amount of green food coloring. Also, there is this one. I actually ran out of this, so I had to improvise. So this is juniper green, which is a nice deep green color. So to start, I'm going to just, here's a tip for using this mold. For some reason, the cake comes out a little strange. So when you stand it up, can you guys see that? It's at an angle. It's not perfectly standing up like that. And I like perfection. So what I do is I just trim the bottom slightly towards the back, more going in, cutting deeper as I go in. And then there, it stands up straight. So I'm carefully trying to cut part where the cake overflowed on top of the mold. So I'm basically cutting right below it. I made my Swiss meringue buttercream, and I did the same thing. I added a little bit of that cocoa powder and some green food coloring, and try to make it as close to this green. For the next green cake, I'm actually going to make a green velvet cake, which has a little bit of cocoa powder and green food coloring, and that'll work out great. For this one, I don't know, I did not think about that first, so I didn't do that. It's falling apart. Shh, don't show that. Oh, I see what happened. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay. I had a little accident, but I think I can fix it. A little buttercream underneath it. Put it back in. Powdered sugar should cover the little crease, so no worries. Oh, I covered my board. I have two 8-inch round boards glued together so that it looks a little thicker and prettier. And I covered it with some pretty scrapbook paper. Put a little ribbon around the border. And look how pretty that looks already. So now the fun part. Oh my gosh, I'm covered in green. Okay, well, that's what happens when you make trees. And this is gonna be a mess, but it's gonna be fun. Oh, it's snowing in Florida. We have a snow-covered Christmas tree. So see, this is a really easy cake to make for Christmas or whatever. You get the mold. The hardest part is baking the cake. And then once that is done, that's it. And look how pretty it looks. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my 12 Cakes of Christmas countdown. If you haven't seen the other videos, please go back and check out my other Christmas videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching.